Hello children, let's now learn about our ecosystem. Can anyone tell me? Amit?
Yes, sir. It is the system where animals, plants, and human beings live together happily in harmony with nature.
That's right. Rita?
Sir, what is the difference between nature and ecosystem?
Very good question, Rita. So far you have learnt about various parts of our nature. Ecosystem is the relationship and interaction between these components. We can live happily only if a good balance is maintained between plants and animals in nature. We are dependent on each other. Destruction of one will affect the other. Our living in harmony with plants and animals is known as ecological balance. Maintaining ecological balance means living in harmony with nature without destroying the natural resources such as land, livestock, water and vegetation.
Sir, why is ecological balance needed?
Plants are basic food for all. Some animals which feed on plants are eaten by other animals. Plants and animals which serve as food for others are a part of our food chain. Ecological balance is needed to ensure food and water for all animals and plants.
What is food chain, sir?
Food chain is a network or a chart in the biological kingdom. Let's have a look at the food chain chart. Now tell me, why frogs are important in our food chain?
Yes, sir. Frogs eat the larvae of mosquitoes, which grow in stagnant water, and many insects, which are harmful to human beings and plants.
Correct, Anita. Let me tell you how the human population has increased without any control. In the olden days, a large number of people used to die at a very young age due to diseases caused by harmful microorganisms. Later, scientists developed different vaccines and medicines against these diseases. Hence, people started living longer. So the population started increasing and increasing. Demand for food, timber and water also started increasing. So we started overusing our natural resources. This situation is known as ecological imbalance.
Then, how are we still getting enough food to eat in spite of the growing population, sir?
As our demand for food increased, our scientists developed high-yielding varieties of food grains. These new varieties produce more food, but they also need more nutrients. So the scientists promoted the use of chemical fertilizers. You may find some traces of these chemicals in our food as well.
Sir, are these chemicals harmful?
Yeah. Today many of us are suffering from health problems caused by these harmful chemicals.
Sir, what should we do to prevent the uses of these harmful chemicals?
We should select such crops and varieties which are resistant to insects and diseases. We can protect crops with biopesticides. We should make maximum use of farmyard manure, which is prepared from animal dung and waste materials.